Imagine you're playing your favorite game with your friends and you win the high score. But it doesn't happen all the time, so you want to relive that wonderful moment over and over again. But what if I told you you could, if you become a videographer? A videographer is someone who is responsible for recording live events and small-scale video productions. Videographers can make a lot of video projects, such as docuseries, news broadcasts, training videos, games, birthday parties, weddings, commercials, and short films. That's a lot, isn't it? Many successful videographers get a degree in journalism, the activity or profession of writing for newspapers, magazines, news websites, and preparing news for broadcast. You can search for many wonderful schools and programs in your area by looking online, or you can check out books from your local library. Do you have any ideas how you can use your love of videos to make money? Maybe you can offer to record videos for family members or friends. But be sure to ask your parents or guardians for permission before getting started. Until then, have fun with your camera.